Dígwit agus fáilte rash. In this video I'm going to talk to you about some useful verbal nouns you can use in your Irish conversation. A verbal noun focuses on the action part of a sentence, and it can be very useful and effective for creating confidence and creating great sentences. A wonderful book I've used to help me put together this video is this one here on my desk. The Collins Easy Learning Irish Verbs book. So this has pretty much every verb you'll need, along with the tenses like the past, present and future tense, and it is a really great learning tool. I'll leave a link in the description and in a pinned comment, and if you want to purchase that book to help you, it will be a great tool for you, but you'll also be helping to support me as well, because I might get some commission if you purchase the book from the link I give you here on my YouTube channel. And any clicks and any purchases you make, I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. So back to this video on verbal nouns. The first one here is ag awark. Ag awark is looking. Ag awark hort, looking around. Ag awark hort. Next we have ag balu. Ag balu is gathering or collecting. Ag balu. Husig scamal gurka. Ag balu. Ag bun na spera. Dark clouds started to gather at the bottom of the sky. Husig scamal gurka. Ag balu. Ag bun na spera. C then brings us on to ag clochta. Ag clochta. And that means practicing. Ag clochta. Ag clochta gach law. Practicing every day. Ag clochta gach law. Ag dainav is the next one. Ag dainav, and that's doing or making. Ag dainav guma, doing well or doing good. Ag dainav guma. Elu is next. Ag elu is escaping. Ag elu. Ag iri elu, trying to escape. Ag iri elu. Firi is next, and that's asking. Firi. Ag firi de féin, asking herself. Ag firi de féin. The letter G then brings us on to ag glana. Ag glana. And this is cleaning or washing. Ag glana. Ag glana suas, cleaning up or washing up. Ag glana suas. Ag imacht is next. Ag imacht. This means going or leaving for somewhere else. Ag imacht. Marhabla. Ag teacht agus ag imacht. Coming and going. Ag teacht agus ag imacht. Ag lauert is speaking. Ag lauert. Ag lauert amach, speaking out or preaching. Ag lauert amach. Ag mohu is feeling. Ag mohu. Ag mohu goduna, feeling bad. Ag mohu goduna. N brings us on to ag nyartu. Ag nyartu. And that's strengthening or getting stronger. Ta an hui ag nyartu. The wind is strengthening. Ta an hui ag nyartu. Ag ordu is ordering. Ag ordu. Ag ordu juchana, ordering drinks. Ag ordu juchana. P then brings us on to ag play. Ag play. Ag play means discussing or talking about, but more so discussing. So ag play le picture nismo, discussing the bigger picture. Ag play le picture nismo. Ag raunu is choosing. Ag raunu. Ag raunu green graph as an album, choosing a photograph from the album. Ag raunu green graph as an album. Ag sukru is the next one. Ag sukru, and that means arranging or settling. Ag sukru. Ag socrú isteach is settling in. Ag socrú isteach. T then brings us on to ag tuairt, which is giving. Ag tuairt. Ag tuairt amach is giving out. Ag tuairt amach don rétor, giving out to the referee. Ag tuairt amach don rétor. Ag olbhú is preparing. Ag olbhú. Ag olbhú don trus, preparing for the trip or preparing for the tour. Ag olbhú don trus. So as I said, I'll leave a link in the description and a pinned comment if you wish to buy that great book from Collins on Irish verbs. In the meantime, thanks as always for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for the next video. Slán tamil.